I vibe coded an entire web app, a fully functioning web app, in 3.5 hours without writing a single line of code, and you will see me doing exactly that. So in this video, I have created this. I'll show you how I have created this tool called as Easy Image Creator, and you can check the demo by. You can actually explore the tool by going to this website, easyimagecreator.com. I'll show you a demo as well. Okay, and in this particular video, I have shown how I have gotten from ideation to creation of the MVP to the finalization of the product, to reviewing security features. And this is not a tutorial, okay? This is more like you watching me over the shoulder and seeing all the mistakes, all the problems I faced, and how I overcome them. And within 3 hours, we could create an MVP. Of course, I'll be very frank, I did not lock myself for 3 hours. I did work in chunks. It took me about a week or two of working in 15 to 20 minutes a day or 30 minutes a day. And now this is ready. I'm super excited, and I want you to check the demo first. All right, so let me just quickly share my screen and show you how this particular tool looks like. So there we go. Fantastic. So this is a tool, easyimagecreator.com. It has pretty much everything that you need, right? This is how it looks like. There's signing, there's get started. It clearly says get your social media images done in one place. They can upload your picture and it'll ask you to log in. It has dashboard history, buy credits, all of this stuff. Let me just refresh again. I think I made some changes. Yeah. I added the login, pricing. So it will be charging this much. Though I have not integrated Razorpay yet or Stripe yet. About us has a little bit of things, a little bit of text. So we got all of it. Shipping policy, cancellation refund, terms of service. All the basic pages are done. Okay. Now let me show you how this app works. Now, all you have to do is go to photo booth and take a picture of yourself. So let's say we take this picture and upload it here. It asks you to log in. So you can go ahead and sign up by putting like your name. Actually, I already have an account in this name, so I'll just quickly sign in. Okay. And you come to this particular place where you can go ahead and play around. And then all you have to do is go back again, just drag and drop a picture, and say I want to create a profile picture. So I'll click on create now. Let's say my company's name is Uability and uploaded the Uability logo. So I think I have done it recently somewhere. There you go. You upload your company logo. It automatically fetches colors from your logo. And if you click on generate, it takes your face and you text your logo and generates the image. Let's wait for a bit. There you go. Fantastic. It creates such nice pictures. Look at this. It uses your logo's background as this color. Oh my God, I love all of them. All right. Now we can go ahead and create the social media post. I mean, you can do the same thing, or you can just, create social media content, because I have added a content generator. Say in the niche, I have agencies, freelancer, coaches, scale up in business. These are, they are Indian service providers and coaches who want business growth. Let's say what 3 to 5 problems or mistakes they face. One, they constantly rely on word of mouth or referrals. Two, They run low ticket webinars and workshops. They think content creation only will give them clients. So let's say you added some, mistakes. You can pick a tone of voice. I'll pick provocative. We'll keep it two-step standard, length 200 words, and just click on generate ideas. It will generate some ideas for you. There you go. I said truth about low ticket webinars. Now you can click on, you know, basically generating the caption. It uses MicroSaaS because, by the way, if you go ahead and you know uh, give if you go ahead and sign up to this webinar, so this particular SaaS, it will ask you what does the company do. So it takes information from there as well. So I uploaded that I help people build MicroSaaS. So that's why it just took some of that information. But let's say, hey, it created a good caption here. Okay. Now you can click on generate headlines. It will create some headlines that will go on the image. There you go. Your low ticket webinar is cost. Read caption. Broke leads love this offer. Stop attracting cheap clients now. All right. I think let's keep this one and click on generate. And now it will go ahead and generate credits. It uses Google Nano Banana Pro in the backend. It's not 100% perfect, but it gets the job done. So it's a decent way to get the job done technically. That's how I look at it. There you go. Fantastic. Look at this. Your low ticket webinar is cursed. Lovely. I love this. Okay. This doesn't look like me, but it's cool, right? It creates a pretty decent social media. By the way, you can also create ad creatives. Okay. It's the same way you can create your own ads through this, or you can write, hey, let's say give me 3 days and I'll help you launch your MicroSaaS. Let's say this is my ad, and let's say book your one-to-one call. We did this, and we'll click on generate credits. There you go. Whoa, look at that. It looks so much like me. Give me 3 days and I'll help you launch your MicroSaaS. Crazy. And before you say whether it's working or not, I actually tested these creatives, Um, I actually tested this creative by, let me show you the ads manager of a client. And yeah, while normal ads would get like a 1% click-through rate, these ads gotten me 3%. So they performed 3x better than even video ads. Video ads have been historically the best performers. So let me just show you. Okay, this is the ad that we were running. There are video ads which got like 1.5%. Look at this. Okay, this is at 2%. Okay, not bad, but twice the impact, even though the messaging is the same. Okay, So lead cost has been lower than this, and even we have started getting applications and whatnot. So it's working like crazy, right? So we got a validated SaaS that is gotten proof of concept. So in this video, going forward, you'll see me making the SaaS from scratch, making me, see me making all those mistakes, fixing those mistakes, making sure that it works, chatting with the AI, and shipping a completely built web app. And if you want a demo of this, the link of this app I'll share in the description or the comments below, so you can sign up and check it out for yourself. Thank you very much. Let's go. What is up, you beautiful people? Another day, another MicroSaaS application. So in this video, I'm going to make an attempt to create a MicroSaaS. Okay. The reason I say attempt is because I have never built this app. I just have an idea. So in this particular video, I'll go from idea to building this app step by step. I'll record it live. I'll obviously edit it, but you'll see me doing it starting from the documentation to the building of the app itself. Right? So without any further ado, let's get into the screen and I'll tell you more about the idea that I have for me. So we'll be obviously using Lovable, but the core idea, again, and I don't need screen for this. The core idea is to build an image generator app. And I know, yeah, you can obviously prompt something on Nano Banana or Claude or ChatGPT to create some good images. I want to work on a very specific kind of images. You see, I work as a head of product in this company called as Uability, and we help a lot of coaches, consultants, marketing agencies to do marketing and sales. Okay. One of the problems that my customers face is that they struggle to get decent pictures of themselves for social media, to create social media posts, to create ads, to create profile pictures. So I am imagining an app uh, where they just upload an ugly picture, okay, and uh, the AI gets trained on that. It creates a profile picture, decent looking profile picture for them, for Instagram, for LinkedIn as well. It also creates images that they can post on social media, with their picture, the little bit of message and everything. And then third is we are looking at ad creatives. I have some pre-created ad creatives, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be creating this whole app from scratch. And best part is I have never even built it. So let's get started into the video. Okay. Now, obviously, the creation of an app does not start from Lovable. It starts from a Word document. So let's create a Word document and write down what exactly we want in as much details as possible. Okay. So what do we want here? The goal here. I want to build an app. So let me just zoom in, where the user simply uploads an ugly picture, and then the app gives them a professional looking profile picture, image ad creatives, and third, I would say social media post. Okay, this is the ultimate goal. Now, to achieve this goal, let's think of it from a workflow perspective. Okay, let's do workflow. Let's just simply write down what we want. We can obviously use a flow chart and whatnot, but let's not go fancy. Let's write down what's the first thing that will happen. User logs in, user uploads ugly picture. Yes, right. User fills a survey first. I want to customize it based on the niches. The survey fills the form, basically. The form asks them for their a couple of details like business name, user name, what do they do, their target market. Okay, once this is added, because fitness people will have a different kind of ads, relationship coaches will need a different kind of ads. Oh, it can also ask for the logo so that the logo can go into the picture. Okay, again, we're just ideating here. Then what happens next? Once this happens, user uploads an ugly picture, and I think the profile picture option should be just default. The the tool gives out 4 to 5 options for them to pick. Okay, that's what should happen. Then upload picture on a dashboard. Then they should be asked about what they want to create. If they select profile pick option, the tool gives out 4 to 5 options from pick. If they select social media creatives, the tool creates 1 to 2 social media. Until 3 to 4 options you can give. 3 to 4 social media graphics. If they select ad creatives, the tool creates 3 to 4 ad creatives. Okay. Now this is interesting, but how would the tool know what would be the core message? If they select social media creatives, the tool asks for the topic or headline. I think the headline should be given by the user. The tool asks which platform they want the image for, or instead of that, what color background do they want. And the tool gives out 4 options. Let's not do 4 to 5, give them 4 options, pick one. Similarly for social media creative, 4 social media graphics with the headline content on it. Whatever they write in the headline should come up here. Now if they select ad creatives, the tool gives 3 to 4 ad creatives. We'll call it 4 ad creatives. The tool asks for ad copy, image ad copy, and then the tool creates 4 ad images with the ad copy on it. Copy and their picture on it. And content and their picture on it. Do you think people will pay for this option if I train this tool on, wait. Do you think people will pay for this if I train this tool on the most winning ad creators, winning the most viral social media post? I don't know. If people pay for it, they'll be amazing. I guess they should. Okay. Now, obviously, I'll be running this on credits. Obviously, I will be paying for credits. So I will need to figure out a way to have paying for the AI credits. The user pay for the AI credits. Maybe create an integration with Razorpay and charge 3x of what I get charged from the AI servers. People will have, let's say, 50 credits for free in a month, and which will result in, say, 4 image generations. Let's call it 100 credits, and then they need to upgrade, I guess, something like that. They can pay through Razorpay, I guess. That's going to be a good one. And also want them to, I think this should be more than enough. Let's keep it simple. I also want them to be able to access past image generation for up to 30 days, because uske baad my servers will become expensive. So this is the workflow. Okay. Now we have some idea what we are going to build through this app. The next step is, again, since I don't know what's going to be the outcome, I don't even know how to, train this models and all of this, honestly. Okay. So we'll be using Lovable for this. Okay. A lot of people use NA10, a lot of people use make.com, but we need to figure out a way to train the AI model to give us the best results. So let's test this out. What we'll do is we'll copy this whole thing, go to Lovable, and then we will ask, what is the best way to build it? Okay. Chat. Again, we're not asking the AI to build, we're asking the AI to chat with us first. Okay. That's the idea. Let Lovable AI do it. So since I have this idea, I already know about this tool called as Kia.api. So you can create any kind of image generation software, video generation software. If you can, you must have seen those Halku videos on social media going viral nowadays. You can create such videos from here. It's so cool. And the pricing is also pretty cheap, I guess. We can look for videos. Let's go to models market. It's a marketplace for AI model. And let's say you want to create this kind of videos. Well, it charges whatever, 6 credits, 9 credits for 1080p videos. Something like that. And I think 8 seconds. 72 run. I think this is 9 credits per second. Yeah. That's crazy. 9 credits per second. Crazy, you know? So this is how it kind of creates it. You can create those, story type videos as well. And you just have to pay for the credits here and whatever it charges. Okay. So, we'll be going for image creations. So here, instead of video, I'll go to models market again, and we'll do text to image as a filter. And you get GPT, you get Flux, you get Nano Banana Pro, and Nano Banana is what we will be using for creating this. Or there is Gemini 2.5 as well, but Nano Banana Pro could be good. So it says for 1K video, which is 1080 pixels video, which is honestly more than enough, 1:1. We will be paying 18 credits ke liye 9 cents. How much is 9 cents? To INR. So basically, we'll be paying 8 rupees for an image, right? So yeah, that's pretty crazy. And then let's say you want to charge 24 rupees an image. That's still pretty cheap, right? 24 rupees an image. I will figure out the pricing part. Okay. So it says first, payments. Lovable has native integration to Stripe. If you are watching this video, you know I have faced a lot of troubles with Stripe last time. We'll just go with Razorpay. What design style would you prefer for app interface? Clean or minimal? White space, simple layout, focus on content. Exactly. That's what we want. Start with profile pictures only. I'll be like, let users pick what they want to build. Okay. For AI image generation, I use Lovable AI, which supports image generation. Do you have preference for image versus speed? I would prefer to add my own Nano Banana Pro API from AI marketplace. Okay, let's submit. Let it think. Okay, it has some questions. Nano Banana Pro from Key API. Could you share more details about it, like API documentation, how it works, alternate level built-in AI Gemini Flash image model that's ready to use? Kia.ai is a requirement, and it says share more details like API documentation. I think you can get that. Where is the documentation? How do I do this? How do I give this data to them? Oh, this is API URL. Okay, this is not even what we want. What I can do is I'll say yeah, and Kia.ai is what is Kia.ai? It's a models marketplace. Is an AI models marketplace, and they provide API keys to Nano Banana Pro and similar models. If we were to use something like this, how can we do it? Not just for how can I do it, just can we do it? This is the answer to first question. Second question is Razorpay. I do have a Razorpay account and API keys. And yes, specifically for an Indian audience. 3, let users pick. You don't have to build everything from scratch. It basically asks, let users pick what they want to build, meaning what does that mean? So we'll say you don't have to build everything from scratch. You ask the user what they want and then produce that particular type of image. 4, credit system clarification. Yes. So through Nano Banana Pro, I spend rupees 8, rupees 9 to actually 8, let's call it 8, to generate one image. So to generate 4 images, I will be spending rupees 32. And obviously I can't keep losing money, of course. So I need to charge at least rupees 100 for 4 images to stay profitable. Okay, now you have answered all the questions. Let lovable AI figure out. Now, yeah, some people actually emailed me after I uploaded the last video. They were like, okay, how does it look like in real time? This is how boring it is. It doesn't start building stuff from scratch. You first plan it so that you make it the most economical. Many times, a lot of my ideas don't even plan out. They don't even get built because logistics don't work. Okay. And for fun, I can create one. I can create a free one just for my clients. But well, not the best. Okay, integrated. That's great news. Well documented. Oh, it does. Ah, lovely. One last. How should user authentication work? Google sign in or email and password? Let's do both inputs. Where should the download generated images be stored? Yeah, I guess Superbase could be good. Superbase is a cloud storage platform, so I'll just show you. Superbase.com. This is a place where they give you cloud storage spaces where you can host your user information and whatnot. They're pretty good and pretty cost effective also. I think for $25 a month, you can have 1 lakh monthly users and 8 GB disk size per project. So that's like, for every project, you have 8 GB. That's pretty good. I don't know about this egress and caches and everything. And total file size will be 100 GB. I don't know how this works, but I can probably ask an AI model to do this, to figure it out. But to get started with $25, good enough, right? Okay. Summary of your app. Pro Image Creator, a SaaS app for Indian entrepreneurs transform their photos into professional pictures, social media graphics, and ad creatives using AI. Key authentication, obviously, we'll do this. Pro Image Creator, phase 1, main dashboard. Okay, wait, phase 1 is what? Login page for this, account creation of the email verification, password reset functionality, create minimal design, business name. Oh, yeah. I don't know what should be the name. Pro Image Creator. Okay, we'll just go with that name. Photo upload area, type section where they select what they want. Additional get more credit button. All right. Can have add referral program. Definitely add this. Template gallery will take some time to build. Actually, no, let's not build one. Ability to set favorite color schemes. Yeah. Now we can add this as well. We want referral system where they can earn free credits by inviting friends. So more lead generation. They can give them 50 additional credits. 100 additional credits means 4 more generations for every confirmed sign up. Maybe. We'll see. Whatever. We'll first figure out how to build the app and then the rest. So how do I give you the kind of images I want to produce? Let's ask this. Again, we're just chatting with Lovable. This is the amount of chatting it requires to just start it. That's pretty good, right? We're formulating a plan together with Lovable AI. It says Picture Perfect Pros, the project name. Mm-hmm. Cool. So my recommended upload 2-3 examples of each profile that will help me understand the exact style for AI prompt. Build that. Do we need to do that now, or can we do that after you have built the basic app? Lovely. So let's do that. Cool. So the plan is phase one is foundation and authentication, login page, all that, user onboarding form, business name, target market, logo, main dashboard, photo upload area, common create type section, credits display, image generation flows. Right, it's still generating, I guess. Yeah, what is it? Okay, so image generation flow where we get profile pictures, so social media, ad creators, brand presets. Da, 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 da. All right, deduct 100 rupees per generation. 100 rupees, 100 credits. Nice. Okay. Now you click on implement the plan. It will start implementing the plan. So let's just do that. I don't have any color schemes, branding ready. So I'll figure out, I'll basically rely on the AI to do it. Okay. So plan is approved. It's starting. Next, I will start the video once the plan is kind of in place. Wait, let me see. It says enable cloud. I'll start building Pro Image Creator. First, let me enable Lovable Cloud for authentication, database, and storage. Complete backend, add an element to app, free to start, pay as you kill. Okay, cool. So let's allow. So I'll pause the video, and every time I get a prompt like this, and every time I make a change, I will resume the video for you to understand what I'm doing here. Okay. I hope this helps though. Please comment. What do you think about this video? Okay. We started at around 5:30. Now it's 6:45, but a lot of fun. Okay. So let us see. It has finally done the job. It created like a, let me just make myself smaller. I'll put myself on the top right. There you go. Now, it has created like a login screen, obviously. And let us try and log in. I'm not a big fan of this particular color scheme, but okay, I'll just fly with it. Let's try signing up. Let's just put like, oh, all right, I just logged in. Okay, great. Now it started with a wizard that we wanted. Let's call it Jayant. Let's call it JP Consulting. What do you do? I help entrepreneurs launch and scale their MicroSaaS businesses. Let's say this is a rough one. Actually, it's not a great one, but okay. Well, all right. Our target market is aspiring entrepreneurs, aspiring SaaS founders. Logo. Holy shit, I don't have a logo. Let's see if I can create one. I think I did create one as an example in one of my past trainings. Let us just go to projects. I might find it. Okay, anyways, just create a logo and in Canva. Okay. And let's search for JP. Let's pick a good one. You know what? I'll just keep it simple. A J and a P. This is it. Maybe I'll make one of them red. Looks horrible. Alright, we'll just play with it and do something like this. Okay, we got it. It's all done. This is all we need. A simple logo. Let's call this the business. I'll just do 250 is the maximum. Alright. Let us just export this as a logo. All right, there we go. All right, we got it. Let's just upload this and see. There we go. There we go. And complete setup. Cool. So it's working. Now, obviously, it's all logged. Oh, it's so nice. I love it. Wait, this is how it look. It's nice. Okay. So here it says click to upload your picture up to 10 MB. So I actually took a photo of mine. Okay. So I'll just drag and drop. Oh, okay. Oh, it doesn't have drag and drop functionality. We can say support. I need drag and drop functionality in the photo upload section. It's not available. Another thing that I don't like, it says welcome back. So instead of welcome back, I would rather prefer, hey Jayant, what's up, Shant? Something like that. I like the design though. It's very minimal and clean. This is amazing. This should be the landing page. You know, it should be the landing page when somebody tries to upload a picture. It should ask them to log in. So let it add the drag and drop functionality and then I'll come in. Okay. So it's shaping up. It's nice. I think we'll build it. It might take some time, but we'll definitely build it. Yeah. All right, nice. So it has added the drag and drop functionality. So this is good. So I'll open up the photo booth and I took a picture long back. So we'll upload that. Nice. So now we'll create profile picture and it throws an error. Fantastic. So now, I mean, till this point, we are good. All right. So how do I go back from here? Okay, anyways, think, create. Okay. Now we need to check what has it done. So it has done the onboarding flow. So all of it. So proceed with image generation flows. All right. So far, we are not facing any major hiccup. So I like it. You have no idea the amount of fuck ups I expect when you build this. So let's see. Add AI to your app, chat, everything. Okay. Let it build the image generation flows. Integration. So it is creating the flows. Then we need to integrate with Kia.ai for image generation. then Razor Pay, and history and referral dashboard. We'll go in that direction. Let it finish building it, and then I'll start recording again. Okay. All right. So it says it has done the image generation flows. Let's see what happens next when we add the image. Now let's say profile picture. Great. Now it'll ask you for your background color. Let's say we do blue, and if we generate, I don't know if it will actually generate because we have not done the key AI integration. Did we? I don't think I have added a prompt, but if it creates, I'll be like, damn. Okay. Anyways, now we need to do integration and add prompt to the image. You create professional images. So I don't know why it selected that. I'll add the key API key seeker. Please enter your API key in the form below. Okay. So we're here and we'll click on run with API. Where do I get the API key for this one? Give me a minute. I'll just quickly research on how to find this key. I remembered how to get this, but I just forgot. Sometimes I feel I'm so talented and so dumb at the same time. Brain fog. This is brain fog. Okay, look at this. It is right here. API key management. What the fuck? All right. So, I mean, we got this. We can create a new key. Nano, banana, lovable, something like this. And copy this. I'll have to hide this. Holy shit. And go there and paste it. Submit. It did a decent job, but it's not great. Yeah, obviously the prompt here is so horrible. It is going through this KA.ai app. Okay, let it finish this and I will be back. So you're seeing me real time, okay? Struggle with building apps, struggle with documentations, AI. So I just wanted to let you know the reason I keep it raw and real is because, well, this is how it is. It's you have a lot of uncertainty. You may not know how the things. You might even fuck up multiple times. You might waste a lot of credits. It's okay. Ultimately, what matters is you building a fantastic SaaS. Okay. So, I hope you appreciate that. Okay. So I'll stop the recording. I'll start when it's done. I might do it later. It's already 7. It's my gym time. But I'll be back from the gym and we'll restart this. Okay. See you soon. Oh, hey, before I go, it has just finished integrating. So will it, so it has just finished integrating. So I'm asking the question, will it create images based on nano banana? Because in the nano banana, okay. This is what I could see in their creation. Are you aware of it? Mm, For transform user photos, do you have documentation for which may support image input or an image input parameter in the API? I don't know. What do these mean? I mean, right, let me see. Is there any kind of documentation? And this is it, isn't it? Mm, it just creates a new API key. Have some 79 credits remaining. Okay. Okay, anyways, let it finish whatever it's doing. Seems like it won't help me. It won't let me uh, go to the gym today. Important question. Document to how for transforming user photos. Does Kia have to use a different model like this with image input support? Image to image docs. So let me see. I'll do image to image. Uh, this is it. I think it's the same thing, right? Mm, go through this page. I have no idea how this goes. But sure. Yeah, I sometimes I feel if I've had a little bit of idea on how a lot of software stuff works, I'd probably a much better vibe coder. But well, we don't know that, so have to deal with it or learn it. All right, so I did go through it and integrate it in a Banana Pro. So nice. Now I want to give you the input, the prompts. No, without that, the images would suck. I did play around with Gemini a little bit. So I'll just open up the prompt that worked the best for me. Mm, this is the one, I think. You know what? There's this one. I really loved this one. Let me just copy the prompt. So just prompt our first image, prompt for second image. This one. Oh, it's the same prompt. Maybe this. Glasses. I don't know. Okay. This is second one, and we can cut this one. This is backdrop based on the color. By the user to white neutral. Let's pick another one that I used. I'll probably pick this one, I guess. This one looks nice. Yes, I'll pick this one. Studio Vogue Passion. Right. Third prompt for Earth image. Natural backdrop of the color selected by the user. So let's use these 4 prompts and go here. Here's the prompt for the profile picture. I am giving limited options. I hope it works. इसके बाद we'll do the social media ones later. We just finished the profile picture, so I think that's a good progress for today. And tomorrow we'll sit again and build the rest of the stuff. That'll be fun. So it's taking its own sweet time. Oh, hey, you're good. Updated the prompts. Now I want to add 10,000 credits to yeah, hey.com. Okay. All right, let's see. All right, refresh the page. Because now we can actually create a lot of images. Okay, great. 10,000 credits. Let's test it. I think I did create photo booth picture. Let's drag and drop and then do profile picture, and then select select this red color. Let's wait. Let's see what kind of results we get. This, oh, frick. Great. Thanks a lot. I kind of, would it be weird if I told you that I expected this fuck-up to happen? And it'll probably also consume some credits. We can change it to this one. Well, there's the hourly spend limit. Okay. All right. It finished making, fixing the error. Let's hope it works now. Let's wait for a minute. If it throws an error, well, I'm gonna go hit the gym. All right. Let's fix this issue. What does it say exactly? It says failed generative image, timestamp this, runtime error, blank screen, not affordable. Does it request? I'll just add some credits. Let's see. So we have an unexpected guest right here. This is my baby bro. All right, let's see. Say hi to bro in the comments. Let's see. I hope it works now. I have added some good bunch of credits in Key AI, or Key AI. What should I call it? Hmm. Well, it's definitely working because it's taking credits now. Let's see, total credits. It has used 4 credits, so should be working. So let's just wait for the images to be produced and then we can make some iterations. One thing for sure, I sacrificed my gym time for this. I hope it's worth it. The images better be good. I mean, what else? I'll just cry in the corner, that's it. I mean, what else? I'll just cry in the corner, that's it. Okay, let's just wait. All right, so it was saying, oh hey, I love this. But why? Okay, it did create a lot of images. Finally, yes, it is working now. Our profile picture thing is working. You know what? I want to try once again. I want to try gray images. Images. Oh, by the way, I tried creating an API from Google AI Studio. I did not use it. It's still using Key. Gray 141414. This is the gray image I want. Okay. I want to put the background color as slightly gray would be. Give me a color palette. I want to have a gray color palette. It would look so good. B7, B7, B7. Let's use this. Okay. And generate 100 images. If this works, we now know that this system works. I'll be so happy. But the bigger challenge would be to create image ads and social media content. If I could create that, holy shit, that would be so amazing. But why is it creating 3 images? What the fuck? And it's not even matching my. It's creating 3 images and it's not even matching my face. I need four images always. Ugh, you know what? But it does match my face a little bit, obviously, but not a great, not an exact match. Mm, so wait, Gemini 2.5 flash preview. Nano Banana API, Nano Banana Pro is called. Mm, okay, let's just use this one. I want you to use, well, not 2.5. It was using the normal Nano Banana thing, not the Pro one. Okay, so let's try again. It has switched to Gemini 3 Pro, which means Nano Banana Pro basically. Okay, it would cost me a lot more. Hopefully, the images are accurate. Whoa, now you're there. Now you're there. It has created, okay, four images. Now it's done. I'm super excited. Okay, I can, let's say pick this one and I download this. All right, download. Okay, download function is not great. So, how do I, well, well, the download function is not great. The user should be able to download all the pictures straight to their device. Okay. Okay, so I'm happy that we are able to create. It's just minor stuff that we can obviously fix it. But at least one small aspect of it is done. I'm super excited now. Yes. So let me just try uploading another picture and do profile picture and do purple and generate. Download function is just easy after this. Mm. I love it. A year ago, I had zero idea that this could be done. Now, like I had zero idea that uh, you could even create softwares by simply chatting with them. But now, well, I mean, look at this. I mean, holy shit. Still uploading. Okay. I can select multiple images and let's see if we can download them. I can do allow and well, look at this. I'm just so happy. So happy. All right. So our first segment is done. We'll do two more, which is the social media and the ad creatives, and it will be amazing. All right. So thank you very much for watching so far, and I'll come back with the rest of the stuff. Okay. See you. Well, hello there. So, here's the update since last time. We did build an amazing tool which creates fantastic social, profile pictures. To show you a demo, I'll just take a picture again. There you go. Take an ugly picture, put it here, and ask it for the profile picture. Pick a background and generate, and it will go ahead and generate stuff for you. Okay. And there we go. Looks awesome. Okay. And you can click on them and download one or all of them. They look awesome. Now, if you go back, there is a social media thing as well. So I added like a prompt which says prompt for social media post. Make the character look directly into the camera in an authoritative gaze. Makes the character look professional, wear smart casual. Uh, and text should fit within the image. And there should be a theme color selection option, just like profile picture. Although, I want to add one more feature. Users should be able to visit social media folder from the profile pic section itself. I want that. Now, the purpose of this particular feature would be if somebody is inside the profile picture section, they download the profile picture, then there'll be a button which is generate social media posts. Now click there, go to social media, generate social media posts, click next, where there'll be a button which says um something like generate ads, and you click there, it goes to the ad section, you feed your ad copy and it generates ads. That'll be like so cool. So let's see. Let us maybe just do that again, where we upload this, the profile picture. Hey, where is it? Social media section from the profile picture section. Is it? Let me see. All right, so click here. Where is it? Oh, okay. Social media posted this photo. Oh, that's how it goes to social media. I don't like the positioning of this button. We can use visual editor of this app, where say we go to profile picture. There's something called visual edits. It can be like this. This button should appear on the right side, and we can be like below the generated image section at the same level of generate 100 credits button as a next step. Something like that. So you select what you want to edit and what editing you want, what exactly you want to edit there. It kind of gets that done. Once that happens, then I'll show you how social media pictures look like. Okay. So let's wait for it. I don't know, sometimes Lovable is so dumb. It says move the button to appear below the generated images. Meant the generated image section, not the below generated images, meaning the user should be able to generate social media posts without creating profile picture. It's just a button. What is it thinking? Okay. Also, I would say, mm, add a regenerate button um, to all three folders, so three sections: profile pic, social media, and ads. All three sections. A regenerate button to all three sections, um, so that users can generate posts if they don't like current ones. Please ask them to give you the prompt to make specific changes and make those changes. All right. So we added a prompt. Let's see how this goes. All right. So what I've asked is when you upload the picture, you can either create the profile picture, and below those two sections, you'll also have options to, well, you know, generate social media or add creatives together directly. That's awesome. Yeah. So let's go. It takes a minute to generate your profile pictures. All right. And if you're not satisfied, it gives you a regenerate prompt. I added it in the prompt here, right? There you go. The fog one looks so horrible. All right. What if we say I want a studio background with the same color, and in all the pictures I should look directly into the camera. Let's see. Let's see if it implements the ideas. All right, not bad. Cool. Now it says let's create social media post. All right. Now here what you can see, let's say headline or topic, we write where you're doing LinkedIn wrong. Um, Read caption. And let's say we generate image. So this is for social media. All right. It says generated images. Oh, doing LinkedIn wrong. Read caption. They look good. I mean, I mean, they're usable, right? What do you guys think? You know, let me know in the chat. This looks pretty good. Let's say we use this. It says download, but there should be an option to. Okay, it has taken some other logo. You're doing LinkedIn wrong. Read caption. It's not bad. I can say use the logo I uploaded, not this one. Okay, let's see if it uses the logo I uploaded. That's a bug. We can have a image previewer instead of downloading every image. When we click on an image, it should like blow up and show me that. So that works, that'll be great, right? All right. So it is not using the same logo. I think that's another thing we need to check. Please, whenever you are putting the logo in the social media image, make sure that you use the logo that the user uploaded on the platform earlier. Also, be smart about it. Fetch the color schemes from the logo itself. Okay. Uh, Another feature I want to add is that whenever a user clicks on on an image, it should uh, show a preview of it, meaning it should blow up and as in a bigger size. Where was an image previewer? Image preview feature. That's what it's called, right? I don't know. Big size before the user decides to download. Okay. But I'm happy with the post, honestly. This is pretty good. Like, it's a pretty good work. The problem is I now have to download every time. This is a very good post. I love this already. These small tweaks in an app take the most amount of time. But chalo koi nahi. I mean, I think oh, that's okay. Okay, let's wait for the AI to like finish it, and then you know, then we will see what's next. But I guess today's job is pretty much done. So what we did, summary wise, yesterday we built the profile picture. The biggest struggle was connecting the API of Kia, which we did. Fortunately, it worked. And next thing is we created social media posts, which is just worked. Now what we are doing is adding those small features. Once this is done, tomorrow we'll sit and work on the add creative posts. That will be super cool. Then we'll figure out the logistics of how a user signs up, how are the credits distributed. Um, I want to I want to have some monthly subscriptions, obviously. Um, and we'll see how the money part can be managed here. So let's see. Okay, I think it is done. Let's have a look. Here my LinkedIn wrong. Oh, it's still editing. Well, let it finish editing and I'll resume the video. All right, so let's just do this round and hopefully we are good. They implemented the stuff. If we click on social media, it did not take the logo from my logo had the red color that you missed fetching. Okay, anyways, so let's say you're doing Instagram wrong. Let's see if it creates. the images, right? With the right logo, obviously. Or if that's still an issue or still a bug, we need to fix both. By the way, if any developer is watching this, how do you define bugs? I mean, this is a feature that we didn't like, right? But bug could also be a piece of a code. Yeah, it's still a problem. Yeah, but yeah, this feature is working, so good. Okay, I'll use this one. Just fetching the logo I uploaded. Uh, please use the logo I uploaded, which was, and save the logo that are on your platform so that you can use it. Okay, cool. I mean, we're optimizing this, and I mean, hopefully, but this is a minor tweak. Once we do a little bit of prompting here and there, this issue should be solved. So tomorrow we'll sit and build the ad copies, and that would be amazing. I would love it. All right. So thank you very much for watching. And in the when we do the ad copy section, our tool will be ready. I would love to see your feedback in the comment. What do you guys think about this? All right. Bye bye. Well, hello there. All right, so we did a lot of good stuff with our app so far, and this is how it looks. Let me show you what I have done. I mean, I did do something in the last one day. I did chat a little bit with the AI. So last time we saw, like, it was not taking our logo as part of the social media thing or profile picture thing. Now it is going to take. Let's just quickly take a demo. And I also added a prompt to um, to the social media so that people can actually generate entire content pieces, including captions and headlines from social media itself. Okay, so let's do a quick demo of where our app is so that we'll see. Okay, so let me just quickly take a picture. There you go. And I could have used the old picture, but hey, I'm good. Let's click on create now. Oh, hey, there's another bug. Ugh, the logo doesn't. I want that in the professional profile picture section. I want to be the logo colors to be patched as you did for social media. Yeah, and the same needs to happen for ad creative section. So, I mean, all in all, we have done profile picture, we have done social media. Now we need to do ad creative. That is it. If we finish this much, we are good, and our working prototype of this app will be ready. After this is just we just need to integrate this with the payment gateway so that we can start charging money, and our software, the product is complete. At least the first version of the product is complete. I could already see a lot of bugs. Now the bugs would include sometimes the generation is a little bit too slow. Um, we can figure out a way. We can hire a team of developers to do it. But hey, look, it is working. It's not like people are gonna hate it. All right, I think it has done this in its job. Let me just do it again. Um, there you go. Profile picture. Where? Let me just refresh this. Let me try putting the picture again. I don't know why it has to be so. Yeah, add a color picker palette. I think, I mean, yeah, I get it. I feel like the AI is so dumb, but then again, it's my fault for not giving it the right instruction. What I didn't like is like I said take the logo. It is gonna take that color from the logo, but it's not showing up here. Yeah, this is how you kind of do minor tweaks to your software so that in the social media section it also did another thing. Okay. Add a logo upload option directly in profile picture section so that users can upload or change their logo without going to the settings. That's a very, very good uh, thing, which is this upload your logo to add branding thing. Now this app is shaping up like really well. Once I finish this working product now, then I'll need to figure out the finances. I mean, this could actually be a proper software that can be sold. It solves pretty good pain points, saves a lot of people money, time, you know. It's pretty good. All right. Now let us do the demo once again. Here we go to create now. There you go. Awesome. So where are the colors? With the F. Mm, so need this section and include logo in profile picture generation in a subtle way. I want this section as well. Oh, I'll show you a complete demo. There's two small changes I need to make, then you'll see the demo. Okay. So in summary, it generates the text content as well, the text that goes on captions, and it generates a headline. Okay. Okay. So in the content generation section, make sure that each what is it? Caption is at least 150 words long, and the title is intriguing and has a call to action of read caption. No, it's still editing. So basically, it creates the content of the social media, which means the captions, the headlines, all of those. It's not the best yet. Uh, this one prompt was needed, so I'll add that. Okay. It's good. There you go. Now let me show you a quick demo of this. Photo booth. Let's do drag and drop. Profile picture. Oh, now this is so good. So it found the colors for my logo. I'll use the black color. I mean, what is the red color? That's part of the logo. Generate 100 credits and let it create the logo. Let it create the image. Let us also try like a blue logo. I'll upload Yobility's logo and see if it can create like a blue background. That would be epic. Okay. This might take up to a minute, although it does set the right expectation. I was thinking it'll be very slow. Well, it does take its own time. It does take up to a minute. But the output is generally good. I think now it's a little too long. Okay, not bad. Okay, so let's change the logo and I'll upload another logo, which is my company logo. Let us see if it creates. I'm pretty sure it'll break. Yeah, let's select this one. All right, it has taken colors from the logo. I'll generate again. Okay, it's working. I like this. I like the fact that it's no real time. It's taking the colors. The only problem is it's taking a long time to create the image, but I think that's, well, it's part of the AI generation. So maybe instead of 4 images, we can ask it to create 3 images or 2 images. 2 images will be too less. 3 might be good. 4 is the best number though. Let's see. Oh, I could have put a timer to see how long it takes. So again, just so you know, while the pictures are being formed, I was working on this extremely passively. Meaning I only took like probably 20 minutes of break from work and I could add that small feature. I tested with the social media thing to create the captions and whatnot. And that's what it took. Oh, lovely. I love it. This is also pretty good. Okay, cool. This is working. Now, you can also, by the way, regenerate if you're not satisfied. There is a button which says create social media post. We'll go to social media. Now it's here. It asks you for the headline or the topic. You can either add it or go to the content generator where you can say niche. I help agencies, freelancers, and coaches to scale up on business to 10 lakh per month and beyond. Describe your target audience and details. Let me just go to Claude. I actually have this whole project with me in Claude, which is, yo, what happened? I must have it in ChatGPT. Describe your abilities, target audience, detail. I already know how to do it, but I'm too lazy. Okay. Coaches, consultants, agency, service founders. Um, Give me demographics and okay, it is here. Okay, 3 to 5 problems that they face or mistakes they make. So it gives you, get some 3 to 5 problems around these. Um, it'll create all the content. Okay. Okay. Now, tone of voice default, which is musical flow. I want provocative, and it's this thing. Now you can click on generate ideas. You can either choose your own topic and generate ideas also. Uh, Affordable services are attracting bad quality customers. Nice. There you go. I can click on generate caption and it generates a very, very nice caption. And click on generate headline. Where does it show? The caption. I got the headline. Your price, cheap services kill your business. Wait, let me just do it. The headlines, not great. I am looking for something that will trigger people, like create an open loop so that they read the caption. Every headline should end with read caption. Something like this. Let me just optimize the headlines a little bit. And it's not showing the captions here. What's up? That's another issue I need to fix. Where are the captions? When I click on generate caption, it says caption generated, but I don't see any output on the screen. Okay, let's hope it works. Let's generate ideas again based on the above pain point. Okay. Let's do this. One channel live sounds something cool. Let's click on generate caption. Caption format error. Please try again. Oops. Now I see this error, which says caption format error. Yeah, optimization sucks. Well, it's cool. Single level lead source is actually a ticking time bomb. Very interesting. Oh, most founders ignore this one fatal flaw until the business implodes. Read caption. It's so good. It's so good. Let me actually create the caption. Ah, now you go. It gives you a decent formatting of the caption is horrible. Um, Also, the caption output follow one line per paragraph. The rule. So I want one line per paragraph, like one line, one paragraph, then another paragraph starts. I can do this. As a most founder ignore this fatal flaw. Caption is generated. Now you can click on generate images. It starts generating image based on your picture. And you'll see the images. They're really good. So this way it's like a decent all-in-all content creation tool, I guess. Right? So let us generate another caption and see. Oh, there you go. Look at this. Oh, I added this preview feature as well. If I'm not, if I'm not correctly. So good, right? It adds that exact headline right on the top and pick the one that makes the most sense. We can do this one. Um, we can, oh, busy is the new broke. Generate caption. I still don't see one line graph. Here's an example caption. I just give it a caption. Do I sound perfectionist? I have no idea. But I want a specific level of finesse with my content. So I think the bare minimum specific finesse. I don't even make a lot of it. So basic. It should look good. People should be able to copy from here and paste it on Instagram. It should be that easy. That's what I'm aiming for. So one problem I solved, people can update logos while on the go so that they can change the colors and whatnot. So that's amazing. Okay. Uh, and it's just the matter of the caption. Let it finish editing. Then after this, we'll finally build the ad copy generator. So that's going to be good. Okay. So I think it'll take some of its own sweet time. So I'll pause the video and once it is ready, I will start the rest. So I forgot that I was not recording. So I did give me a decent output. So you can like, let me just show you. So let's say we do provocative again. We do two-step post, generate ideas. Okay. It generates ideas. We do whatever, pick one, generate caption, and it takes some time to generate the caption. There you go. And generate headline. It's kind of decent. Why your growth suddenly stopped. Taking time over you're ignoring. Stop using one plug or else read caption. So this is one. And then when you click on generate, it generates decent images. But now I had an idea. Okay. So one, what if users could pick whether they want shorter captions, medium captions, longer captions, and one-click format button that reflows any caption into 1 to 2 sentence paragraph with blank lines. Okay. I also didn't like the UX of the social media. It's like we have to scroll too much. UX is user experience. And I asked, can we do something about it? What are your suggestions? Okay. So this is so good. I love this. Okay. Which UX UI would you prefer for reducing scroll? Collapsible section. Keep 2 column layout, but accordions, collapsible cards, user expand only what they need. Replace left column with horizontal tabs, photos, customize. Yes, this is something we want. Let's see if it does a good job. I don't know how much we have spent. We have not spent much credits now. If you remember, we had 370-ish credits, right? We spent only 25 credits for all of this. Not bad. Oh, it's good. If you are a lovable expert, just let me know. So let it create all of it. I'll pause the video and I'll get back again. Okay. All right. So, what we have done so far is I tried to change the UI, UI, and ultimately impact the UX of the social media folder. Okay. So let's try it out. Let's upload the picture, which is this social media. Where is the tabbed section? It says tab layout UX, but let's see. Oh, like this tab. Okay, got it. Still not the best. I still have to scroll, but okay. I forgot about describe a target audience in detail. Describe your abilities, target audience in details. 100 words. Let's see. Give me top 5 problems my clients face based on your knowledge, like that. Okay, so I put it here. Tone of voice, let's call it provocative. Post type standard. Content length short. Now generate ideas. The context is given, now it's going there. So secret on how to attract premium clients. Awesome. So let's do generate caption. Nice. Generate headlines. Nobody told you this about premium clients. Top under this common mistake. I like this one. Or this one, and now generate 100 credits. This is amazing. I wish I could automatically post it on Instagram. Okay, I can keep thinking of features. Let's just keep it simple. Okay. Where are the four images? I got the notification. It took some time. I think the next thing that we should do is the image load time is incredibly long. What can we do to fast track it? Even after generation, the load is too long. Let's do this. Hopefully it comes up with a solution. But let's see. Quality. Nobody told you this about the premium client. Read caption. I like the background. It has kept the same. Does that? This is pretty good. Nice. So this is a good solution. So basically what it is doing is, so you can see this, these are like full scale images, like the entire 1 MB image or 2 MB, 3 MB image is getting loaded. So it's taking some time, and obviously you know, depending on the internet speed, it it does take its own sweet time. So what it is doing is it's creating thumbnail versions of these, like smaller WebP versions of this, which are lossless compressed files. Okay, so if it is compressed, it will load faster. Let's try generating some images. Right, you know what? Oh, okay. Already asked for image generation, so we'll wait. I think hopefully this should complete a social media creative plan. After this, we should work on the image generation scene itself, which is, well, now it's faster. We'll see. There you go. This is amazing. I love it. All right. So I need a so good job. Right below image generation, I need a link that goes to create ad creatives. So basically I need a button. Oh, sorry, I should have been clear. I need a button, not a link. Okay, nice. Fantastic. This takes us to the ad creative. Now, I need the ad creative section to have the exact same features as social media creative section. Okay. First, duplicate the entire thing, and then I will ask you to make changes. So in ad creatives, the only difference that will happen is we need to talk about the product features that we are selling. Obviously, If it's required, holding a product, uh, a picture of the product itself. Mm, I mean, let's not do that. Let's just focus the SaaS towards coaches, consultants, and marketing agencies. That way, you don't need to show any kind of product. Um, okay, we need to plan this out. Holy shit, I didn't think of it. What if an e-commerce guy wants to create a product? It cannot be a general app. Should have thought about it before. This is a mistake I keep doing always. I just build first and plan later. Horrible, horrible way. But okay, no harm, no foul. So what we have done is I have kept this with my abilities target customers in mind, which is coaches, consultants, and marketing agencies, service providers, IT agencies who run ads for their clients. Okay, so we will create this whole SaaS for those kind of people. Okay, in fact, the landing page should talk about generate profile pictures, social media post, and ad creatives for your coaching, consulting, or agency business in just a few clicks. That would be crazy. Okay. Mm, then in that case it will fit our format. Anyways, let's look at this. All right. Now it's done. Now I will feed you some of my best performing ads and you draft the prompts before you actually. Oh, wait. Oh, and here are the changes that I need. Okay. The context in the context tab. Oh, not visual edit. I'll do this. In the context tab, keep these fields. Niche. What problem do you solve? Tell us more about your product or service that you want to promote. How exactly does this product or service help your customers? Then what is going to be your call to action? Okay, what do you want the users to do after they click on the ad? Inquire, fill a form, watch a video, sign up to a masterclass. Make this section in a text box. Remove topic section, topic tab, because that won't be necessary for us. Keep the caption and headline tab. Once you do so, I will give you prompts for caption and headline. There you go. Okay, I was in the zone while I was sitting. Okay, I'm happy. What it's doing is it's creating the caption. Let it build it. and I'll come back. You get the point, right? What I'm trying to do. Ads look different. So let me show you what a good ad looks like. Okay. I'll go to ads library to find my own ads. Mm, okay. Although we use a lot of video ads, but you can see like how clearly we say coaches and marketing agency, we help you build this, verified by this. We work with coaches, consultants, and then train them this. As a result, they get this. Best part, this. Oh, I should add it instead of topic, we should have a section called as social proof. Fuck, we forgot to mention that. Our image ads are usually like very simple. Give us 7 days, we'll help you do this. Okay. Mm, I can give it some templates and let's see. An error occurred. Oh, I think it's because it's editing. Let it finish and we'll obviously make changes. This is not going to be the first or the last prompt that I ever add. So let it finish editing and I'll come back. Okay. All right. So now, obviously, it has done it. I want another question. Context tab. Social proof. Ask. Mention some social proof. Client case studies. Mention why people should trust you. Add some social proof, client case studies, etc. Whatever. Now, we can remove this whole tone of voice, caption length, etc. Now I can give it some context. I actually have a custom GPT called as Goated Marketing GPT. No, Goated Marketing GPT. This one. Okay. Let's edit this. Yeah. Okay. So remove tone of voice, post type, and caption length. And instead of caption, call it primary text. Here's the prompt for caption. We'll add the prompt and we can also copy and paste this. Example of a good caption. Follow the exact formatting. Okay. It's called primary text. Okay. Now hit enter. This is a prompt for the caption. This primary text. Okay. But you can also add the add copy or message here. It can still generate. You get the niche, you get the problems. I also need to give it some context about the headline. Instead of headline, I should call it image content. What do you think? I think it should be called image content. That will give it result. I'm so sleep deprived. Oh, am I not sharing my screen? Holy shit. All right. So basically, here's what I did. I think till this I shared the context and everything. I want another question in the context tab, which is social proof, which we discussed, right? And there was some tone of voice, post type, caption length, all that. I removed all of it. And then I added the prompt for the caption. I had a custom GPT, which is this, where which we are currently using for generating caption. I took the prompts from there and added it here. The prompt literally said, I give you templates. So these are the templates that we give to our clients. And I added one example, like in delivery section, we added like an um, example of a good caption. And it's now updating the primary text field. So now when we fill the context with content generator, it will go ahead and create the primary text. Okay. Now, instead of headline, call it image text. So basically text that applies on image. That's what we'll call it. Okay. Now I need to figure out a creative way of I think I have an idea. I can take examples from here. One page business plan. I have a second this thing called OPVP challenge. This is the one. We are running ads here. These images ads are pretty much. We can use this. We can ask the ad type. We can literally ask um, with an ad, give it an ad type. This is a retargeting ad though. Uh, I won't use this, but this we can use. So this headline says learn to get high ticket clients using the simple page in just 3 days, something like that. So let's just define some headlines, attention audience, learn to get. Yeah, so now I just copy pasted some of the image ads that we use. So let's call this one the ad template one. 5. This is ad template 2. Achieve desired outcome. Okay. Oh, we already have this in ad 3. Let's feed it. Let's see what kind of image. I think these are very text heavy. Okay. Uh, let's do it. So I added the templates here in the image text. After that, we'll do a test run. In this test run, I'll feed it like, let's say, Uabilities ads and a few more ads and see if it makes a difference, right? So once it is done, I'll resume my video again. Okay, so now it's done. Let us go ahead and create some content. Oh, final one. Change it from content generator to um, add to generator. Let's look at some uh, okay. Let's implement all the changes. Add image generation for ad creatives. I mean, it's already there, right? Let's see. Okay, nice. We'll test things after this. Okay, so this looks great. Now let's create an ad copy. So let's tell us about ads again. This, what problems do you solve? Let's copy it from um, Facebook ad library. Let's copy from Uability. Both of them are our companies, so it works. Let's do it. We work with coaches, consult, help them market and sales. We help them develop, then train them. What problem do you solve? Okay, what do the users want after they click the ad? This we can check. What problems do you solve? Okay. Mm, we help and marketing agencies generate high ticket clients online through VSL funnel system. Okay. What do you want users to do after they click the ad? Go to the next page and schedule a demo. Why people should trust you, add some social proof. I love this. Let's do track record. Hmm, there you go. We could add a guarantee, but okay. Let it generate the parameter. Aspiring SaaS founder. Where did I write SaaS founders? Oh, when I used fuck when I in the onboarding form I added SaaS founders. It took SaaS founders as the main target audience. It should be coaches as entered by the user. Consultants and agencies as entered by the user. Yeah, there you go. This is yeah, this is something that I thought. Okay, it's now fixing the prompt. All right, fantastic. Let us try again. Generate primary text. I hope this time this bug doesn't exist. I help agencies. We help coaches. Here's what we do as a middle track record. Okay. Generate image text now, which is attention. I'm looking for 5 people. Let's do this one and then click on generate. I really hope it creates good images because the headlines are like way too big. But once we finalize this, I think everything that we aim to do with this SaaS is done. After this, we just need to figure out the payment integration and whatnot, all of it. Whoa! Whoa! I love this. But the problem is the images are like not 1:1. Okay. All images need to be in 1:1 format. Oh, ask the user the aspect ratio of the images that work the best. Uh, 4:3, 16:9, 1:1, 9:1, and create images accordingly. I think this would be a good one. 1:1 works best for our creatives. Why don't you add an option for the users to select in the add creative section and generate the images in the aspect ratio selected by the users. All right. So, nice. So now we can create select the aspect ratio. Let's be selected 1:1, and now I have to paste things again. You know what? I'll just copy this, feed it to ChatGPT. Can you read these questions? Can you uh, tell me what you see? And then I have a client, Rajesh, and I'll drag and drop his BMC here. Please use this BMC to create. Give me answers above. Okay. Okay, women in healthcare industries. Let's do this. Niche is this. Problem, boom, um, product or service. There you go. Copy this. Mention why people should. There you go. Now let's generate primary text. Obviously, it's not the best because it just took that. Let's create image texts. And here I'll use red color as my theme color. So because it's an emotional thing, right? I really hope it creates decent ad copies, ad images. It's taking some time for this. Oh my God, this is amazing. This is amazing. I love it. I never thought I would say this. Okay, let's try 16:9 and see if it gives us 16:9 ratio. What do you think? It's so crazy, right? Holy shit. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. Okay, I hope 16 is to 9 works. If this works, I'll be like so happy. So happy. Okay. I don't think it works with 16 is to 9. Oh, it went for 16 is to 9. Should have written 9 is to 16. Also add 9 is to 16 aspect ratio. Okay. Uh, but yeah, it is 16 is to 9. It is 16 is to 9, right? But it also created a 1 is to 1. It is okay. What the fuck? Why did it add EF444 or that? But this is good. I like this one. It's too vertical. Okay. Now you use blue color. There are minor bugs, but most of the work is done. Our app is now functional. Okay. This is so freaking amazing. All right. So our app is now finally functional. Okay. Now next steps would be I want to the onboarding flow. I think I need to be a little bit less strict. I just need people to give me the name, email, phone number. That's about it. I need some ways to collect payments. Otherwise, I'll go broke selling this software. I need to figure out a way for partnerships. All of it. It's a lot of work, but we'll do that in this video, okay? Stick around. You tell me in the chat what do you think about this whole thing. That's it for today. I'm not gonna work anymore. We already spent an hour. I think that's a lot of work for a day. But tomorrow, I'll figure out the itty bitty stuff. All right? Sure. Bye. All right. So yesterday we did finish till this much. I did a little bit of typing and chatting with the AI. It was really difficult for me to control myself. Uh, so sorry about that. I could not record that part. But okay. The first issue that I faced was when we were uh, creating a picture, it was taking too long. So I raised that concern. What should we do? So we simply added there are two OS. Either I go for Gemini 2.0 or Gemini 3. And it says Kia AI using little more time. Okay. So what we did was we removed Kia AI. Okay. Let's see. We removed the Kia AI API. I know, what an utter waste of time and money. I didn't know Lovable has its own API connect to Gemini. But that was really cool. I got to know this for the first time. So that was pretty cool. Now, here, uh, we removed that and we created a UX element. Okay. We created a small UX element and this is how it looks like now. Let me take a picture again, put it here. And if you go to profile picture and let me do it for a friend of mine. So, uh, mm, yeah, let's do it for this friend of mine. That'll be so cool. Okay, let's open it up. Mm. Hey, where's that picture? I thought I would see that picture somewhere. I, bro, just deleted that picture, I guess. No. This one. So let's take a picture and I'll upload this to Lovable. Okay. And I'll create a professional picture. So instead of viewability, he runs this company called Fit Culprit, and we'll use the red color. Okay, so I added this EY element, which is there is a bar that shows. Okay, so people can wait longer, and then this one, it's all fake. So, it doesn't actually generate one image. It takes this one. It's just a gimmick. But it doesn't feel like okay, it's taking long time. I don't know how true is a 3 out of 4 image generated is. I think it's not because I've seen you see this if 4 images are generated, why did you not show it? So there you go. So okay, so what I'll do is I will download this and download this. Okay, okay. Now same thing we did for the social media as well. Okay. Now, okay, let me just walk you through the chats that we did. Mm, So I said, hey, don't use Gemini 2.5. It automatically went to Gemini 2.5. I hated it. I was like, bro, you know, um, go back to the original models we did. Now image text for the ad was still not good. So basically the thing that we were added was not great. Let me show you. If I go to social media post and then maybe add creatives, this was not like was not able to edit this part. Okay. Plus the image text. For example, let's say Saurabh's. If I have to open uh, mm, this one. So this is the landing page where he helps um, a lot of people here, which is corporate executives, business owner, niches, this entrepreneur struggle. What's the problem that you solve? Okay, book a one-to-one call. Uh, I just copied this. Mention why people should trust you. I think there was a place where it says why us. Okay, so if I click on generate primary text, what used to happen is whatever I have added here, you know, it just took that value as is. It would not make any changes as such. So that was like a big problem. So like, hey, just you know, it was it was not taking the value here. It was taking the value that I uploaded um, during the time of onboarding. Okay. So we did make the changes in the onboarding flow, as you can see here. I asked not to ask company name, logo, rather ask them here. Okay. Next, now speaking of the landing page, we've changed the landing page. Okay. That was the coolest thing that I've done. Let me just show you. So let me just log out and now this is the landing page. So clean. Okay, I love it. Now it also has this impression that you need to upload a picture. Okay, for example, now if I go to desktop and you know, okay, let me just upload a picture of mine. It goes for the sign up process. I can generate a lot of leads from here. That's pretty cool. Here I'm seeing it takes a long time to generate primary text. We'll need to figure that out. That's there. So we did this particular setup. I think this is a very good move because then I can generate a lot of leads, them, very fast. You're still using KI? He said no. So good. So remove the unused KI code. Add a loading progress indicator. Um, Also, there was a problem. The images were not using the exact logo. So we added a new image generation model here. So I asked what text generation model you're using. He says level AI gateway with GPT 4.0. All of that. So the full list of models. So this is a full list of model that they are using. Okay. Now, I asked it to use GPT-5 Nano, and image text was a little too long, so I figured that out. Oh, there's an error. I wonder why is that error showing up. Now, I asked it, hey bro, the text that you generated lacked some emotional intelligence. So they're not very good. So have more emotional intelligence. So it shifted to 2.5 instead of GPT-5 Nano. Oh, I didn't know about this. Okay. Mm. Okay. So I think we can go back to GPT 4.0 instead of GPT 4.0 mini or GPT 5.2. I think we should go to GPT 5.2. That should be fast. Switch to GPT 5.2 for text generation. Okay, let me just use that. So now I'm just trying to uh, optimize the text that we are coming, and I'm going to give it a lot of prompts to do better texting per se. Okay, so that's going to be the idea. So let's wait for it to finish, and then we're good. All right, it says it is going to use headline 2. Okay, it's using GPT 5.2 for all sorts of text generation. So hopefully the quality of text generation will be better, and we'll test it right after it's done. All right, so we added this. Let's try and generate some content once again. So let's go to our front and open, take a screenshot of his picture, upload it here. Let's create some ad creatives for him. Okay, so click on add now. The company's name is Fit Culprit. Fit Culprit. Okay, doesn't have a logo yet. It's red in color, and let us write stuff in his ad. So I'll take, you know, corporate executives and business owners. What problem? These guys, they have major lifestyle problems like thyroid, diabetes, cholesterol, etc. And they wanna lose weight to sustain their lifestyle and reverse their diseases. There. Okay. Next, tell us about your product or service. So let's say, boom, and we can just add a little bit of what he does. Where do you want the users to go after they click on the ad? This. And then why should social proof? I mean, he has a lot of social proof. Let's just select a lot of them. I think I just copy this whole landing page. Okay. Now I'll click on generate primary text based on this. Let's see the quality of the primary text. If it is good, I just hope it doesn't take too long. Oh, nice. It's faster. Corporate executives and business owners. These guys have major life. There you go. This is the problem. Um, taking words literally. Please use the input to create your versions of primary texts and not take words literally. Actually, you know what? I'll give a better prompt. I have a custom, I customize my GPT. So I just add this. Mm, Write in first person, singular. You are your. Is it first person singular? Okay, ठीक है. Um, okay, let's try this again. I don't want people to just create a primary text. Or you know what my biggest fear is? I don't want people to like use this tool and be like, hey, everything is good, but that feature is why I want a refund. Yeah, might be a me thing. People might be more forgiving, but I don't want to take that chance. I want to be like, everything should have a quality that, um, and everything should have a quality that kind of works. Let's wait for it to finish. All right, so it did. Now let me add a couple more things. Show multiple primary variations. So users can pick their favorite and add a regenerate button. Okay. All right, so we did make those changes. So let's see if the quality of primary text is better or worse. Worse is also a possibility. That's the thing. Okay. By the way, we also added this thing where we would be generating 3 to 5 options so that users can pick their favorite and add a regenerate button if required. So you wake up tired again, you sit in the meetings all day and rush home, then answer more messages. Your body pays the bill. Oh, this is so good. Okay. Um, and format it. Beautiful. One client came to me, calendar packed with meeting, executive role, constant travel. I think this wake up tired again is great. I love this. We can generate image text. Now it's better. I think I'll pay a little extra for every text generation, but I think it's good. It's actually pretty fast. There you go. Your calendar is full, but health keeps getting later. High performers don't have time. Late nights, another when. Okay. Image for image text. Stick to the template correctly. Mm-hmm. So let's do that. Because um I want a little bit I want the specific templates that have been working for us. Let's see in the meantime if it creates the images. Dude, optimizing the ad creative is the most crucial thing because you can fuck up on the social media side of things. I mean, even if you did, I mean, it would be okay if it did. Okay, this is good. This is a fitness ad. So let me see if the reason it works. I need the person to be in fitness attire and gym background. Let's see if it creates those. In the meantime, let's create some more image texts and see if they're any good. Okay. Attention fitness coaching. What the fuck? Oh, maybe it took it from this. We'll edit these if you want. Oh, this is so good. Let's use this. Okay. This is a good one. Stop jumping from random diet plans. Stop streaming workout. Oh wow, I love this. I love how he's taking it. Okay, amazing. Great ad. I love this. Stop jumping between random diet plans. The better way to lose. Oops, 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 oops. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Mm. Oh, it's taking 200 characters only. Remove the 200 characters limit in the ad copy slash message box and um, change the box heading to image add text. Okay, this should be the final iteration, and our image, so add creative section should be ready, and then we can talk about the finances of things. Like it's pretty much ready, right? It doesn't have to. It's just optimization at this point. Okay, there's a better way to lose this. Mm, okay, let's generate with this. All right. Mm-hmm. There's a lot of text, really. um, Losing weight or mm, mm, Something like this. Let's try this. I think there were a lot of text in the ad. It was not looking great. But I mean, that's like a production thing. That's like a copy thing. Ah, fuck. It's corporate professionals. Ah, shit. There should be a cancel generation button. Um, there should be a cancel image generation button in case the user made any mistakes. And in all the three sections. Okay. Thank God though. At least one ad is like pretty okay. What's up? Very strange. This is another bug. Um, for some reason, it only showed two creatives instead of four. Okay. Anyways, I'll take care of that part. But at least our ad is ready. Our creative is ready. Let me pause the video and I'll do a little bit more bug fixes and we'll go back to the pricing and payment stuff. All right, so we did make the changes. I'm trying to create create the image again. Hopefully this time it should work. The quality is better now. Like stop starting over Monday, stop following one size fit all diet plan, stop losing long workouts. You can't sustain. Um, that's there. And now it's showing up like this. Now, one of the problem is remove theme colors. So we can regenerate, remove the mention of theme color or hex codes. And this is a fitness ad. So make it suitable for that. Maybe have a gym ground. Okay. Let us see. All right, now it looks good. This is really cool. I can say make the character wear workout clothes, not corporate suit. I just download these. Let's do it again. But okay, overall, this is fixed now. I like the way it's generating. It's amazing. So, good job. Now comes the finance part. Like we figured out the lead generation, um we figured out the production. So product is ready. Now we need to make money. How do we figure out the money part? I have no idea. Mm, okay. Oh, yeah. These are good features you can add. Okay. So once this is done, what we'll do is let's look at this. I don't know how much I'm spending for every every image generation. I'm guessing I'm spending some, but I can check how much credits I have. It says cloud and AI balance. Project background breakdown. Well, I spent only $5 so far. Not a lot. AI usage is just $5 after creating so many images. So, well, I don't think this is like a big deal. Mm, mm, I do have an automatic pop-up thing. Yeah. Um, I'm not too sure. How do I plan it? Let's ask the AI once it is done, and we'll plan two things. One, the money part, like how do I get paid? More important. No, actually, three things. One, how do I get paid? Profitable, stay profitable. Two, um, what I mean by two, the security features. So if I give free credits, what if people keep signing up with new email ID? So uh, IP detection, and if multiple accounts come from the same IP, we block it, or we don't. We just go back to the same account, something like that. Another thing that we can do is mainly these two things, right? So, what we need to do is let's ask AI right now. So, I spent how much? $5.14. 0.14 for all the images I have generated. Can you tell me what was the total number of generations generated so far? Let's see if you can get like per image generation how much I'm spending. If I get an idea there, we can think of a scale. So I generated 243 images in total. So in terms of, so what's my cost per image? Let it do the calculation. 2.1 cents per image. What's that in INR? You might think I'm so dumb. I want to use my brain right now. So basically, I'm spending a rupee for an image. Okay. So if I let people create 12, no, 12 images for free, that'd be a good idea. So 21 rupees per user. Okay. To give 300. So let's give 300 and this. So for all the new users, they'll get a 300 rupees credit, 300 free credits instead of 100, which will allow them to generate 12 images and it will not cost me much. So that's good. Now, how much do I need to charge to be profitable? I need to, so let's say if I charged $10 a month, how many images can I let somebody create? Let's see. For break even, and then we'll backtrack the calculation. Okay, so this is good. Good. This, this. Let's add a low credits warning when users have less than 100 credits and add a credit purchase page with different credit package options. Fantastic. I love it. So let it finish and we will circle back. Okay, it did create something. So buy credits page with 4 packages, 99 rupees for 20 images. Let's see if I charge 99 for 20 images. How much profits do I make? Okay, so this looks good. I want 3 packages. Um, rupees 99 for 10 images. Rupees 999 for how many? Not 300. It should be 100, but 150. I can do 200 images. And somewhere between, like, I would put 599 for, say, I don't know, 100 images. Calculate my profits here. I want to do the Starbucks pricing strategy in this one. This is, I mean, if this works, I'm good. This will be so cool. Okay, fantastic. So they'll get larger, better benefit, obviously, with a higher package, subject to 3 packages. Right. Now comes the biggest problem. I don't have a Stripe account. My Stripe sucks. My Razorpay, I don't have a Razorpay. I gotta figure shit out, otherwise I won't be ever be able to monetize this. So that's a thing that we will figure out later. For now, this is it. Uh, we'll do show savings percentage on packages. See, let's go to the buy credits page. See what they have built. Okay. So this is really good. I like it. Now, I don't know how would I go for the pricing. Chalo, theek hai, we'll figure it out. Now, let's do this. Let's look at the security question. Okay. Um, I want to add a security verification system where I want users. Okay, since I am giving um, since I am giving how many credits for free? Uh, 300 credits, which is almost 20 credits, I guess. No? 12 images, which is 12 images for free. Since I'm giving 12 images for free, well, I want to make sure that people don't abuse the system by creating multiple email IDs. Okay. By creating multiple email IDs. I want them to I want to have IP tracker system, by which I mean if someone logs in from the same computer from different IDs, we take we show an error and mention that same IP detected. Now people can also use a VPN. So I to bypass this, I need a fix for this. Let me know. Okay. By the way, in the meantime, I added some transaction table, whatnot, right here. Oh, the settings page is of no use. So the buy credits page, let's see. How does it look? Nice. Most popular, best value. IP device plus good protection, no user friction, catches most abusers, including VPN users. Strongest protection, but adds sign up friction, requires SMS service integration. I think we can do this. This is better. But I might need to do phone OTP. Do you have a Twilio account? Okay. Global provider. This is in India most widely documented, popular for Indian apps. Let's go to Twilio and just create one. What do I do? Get your account as ID. Okay. Let's start for free and sign up. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of work. Let me just sign up with Google and see what happens. Okay, so we need to verify your phone number. So let's do this. I'll put my phone number and let me just quickly verify. Okay, recovery code. Yeah, this Twilio thing I need to hide. All right, so we go somewhere. Account plans. Okay, let's do pay as we go. I hope with all these expenses, I don't, get into losses. Oh gosh, it's taking a lot of time. Okay, guys, I'll figure this one out later. And tomorrow's job will be to figure out SMS. You know what? I just skip OTP for now. Ugh, it's annoying. I'll figure it out later. But I think the other two parts, which is IP and device detection, is something that we can do now itself. Okay. So what is up, you beautiful people? All right, so I took a little bit of a break, and well, I actually finished creating the entire app. Sorry about that, I couldn't record a lot of stuff, but this is it. We changed the name of this app called Easy Image Generator, and let me show you what I mean. Um, I got myself some 100 credits. Think we finished this. All right. So right now what's happening? We got this app ready. I'll show you this is the domain easyimageCreator.com. You can go ahead and check it out. And then if you go to photo booth or create a picture of yourself. Okay. Right. Take a picture of yourself. Drag and drop. It'll ask you for your ask you to sign up. So click on sign in or sign up, whatever. Okay. Now by default it'll give you 300 credits, 12 images, and you just have to repeat the same process. Well, this was just like a sign up flow. That's it. Then let's say we want to click on add creative. Let's say my business name is let's say P let me just okay. This is my business logo. So I'll just save it. And then I will upload this logo right here, and it'll automatically take the logo, the colors from the logo, and the image tag as a launch your high ticket. Okay, give me 3 days and I'll help you launch your high ticket coaching program. Sign up to the workshop for ₹99. Okay, this is the text I want. Okay. Scroll down, click on generate. It takes a couple of minutes. And boom, we got it. It doesn't look like me at all. Uh, Maybe because of the picture. I can say this doesn't look like me at all. Regenerate. So I can give some prompts like that. And obviously, based on the regeneration prompt, it does improve. Not sure if facial matching is something that it can do, but it does work that way. And by the way, I spent about an hour, which I forgot recording, and I finished it. I realized I should have done it, but I was sick and I was free. I had nothing else to do. I just finished the whole thing. Okay, this looks closest to me. This also kind of looks like me, not a problem. Right? Anyways, so we are here. Let me see where I finished the last one. All right, last time um we were trying to add some sort of OTP verifications. Okay. Um, so let's look at that. Okay. I think this is, yeah, I think I just canceled the OTP generation, but we did add some placeholder logo so that it generates all four. Then I just asked, so I spent about $5.14 for all the images. Can you tell me what's the total number of images generated? So I totally generated 243 images. So and for like $5. So I basically I spent 2 cents per image. In INR, that's like 1.75 rupees. So if I let people create 12 images for free, would that be a good idea? That's like 21 rupees of cost that I take. So I gave every new user 300 credits, like you see. Update new user sign up as this. Add a credits remain indicator. Then add a low credit warning. Add a credit purchase. If I charge 99 for 20 image, how much profits do I make? So it gave me some profit margins. I actually make less money with higher size. Ugh, not the best. But then I said, okay, I want three packages: 99 for 10 images, 599 for 100 images, 1000 for 200 images. And then profits kind of make a little bit sense. And then I made some changes. I just played around that a little bit. With the pricing, and we created this buy credits page. Oh, I have to log in. Ugh, I keep forgetting. Okay. Yeah, they should be like on the first page itself, I think. So for 99, finally, uh, it became like 20 images, 299 mein 50 images, 499 mein 120 images. I think it was supposed to be 999. We'll see. But we'll work on this. Add confetti on purchase. Add a purchase history section, looking at all past credits. And then, since I'm giving 12 free images, I want to make sure that people don't abuse my system by creating multiple email IDs. I want to have an IP tracker system, by which I mean if someone logs in from the same computer from different IDs, we show an error. I mentioned that same ID detected. Now, people who can also use a VPN to bypass this. I need a fix for this. Let me know. So it kind of did something there. We did this OTP verification somewhere there, but it didn't work as much. So I'll need to work on this security feature today. Then I asked what image generation version you're using. Then we worked on some profit margins here: basic, pro, business. Okay. In 99, we are giving 500 credits, which is 20 images. Then we check the profit margins, and then now it came up with 499 plan max. Okay. Yeah. So create a settings page with profile management, account setting, and preferences. It created a settings page, which is basically, oops, this is admin dashboard, which is this. Nothing much. It gives you a referral code. You can ask somebody to use this code so that they earn 300 rupees extra. In the settings, please remove business name. What do you do? So there was a lot of business names and whatnot in the settings. We removed those. Dark and light toggle. I think this. Okay. Remove from share button. There was a share button here, which was annoying, getting failed, and there was a dedicated referral section, which is this. They can share this link. Okay, share your link is looking different. So there's a referral code that they can share it with people. Okay, and you track internally how many people got referred by a person. That will, for that I created like an admin dashboard. Here I can check total referrals, contacts, activity, credits, payments, roles, audit of what's working, what's not. Show a list of referred users that I'll check that happens inside the admin dashboard. Add a link to admin dashboard in the navigation for admin user, which is this. Then made myself an admin. Okay. Did I make myself an admin? I forgot. Okay. Migration successful, then security fine. There are some security vulnerabilities that I think I fixed. Update the referrals page. Okay. So referrals page will only get activated when you have spent 1,000 rupees minimum. And I gave myself some owner and admin access. And here we looked at certain security features. Okay. And then we looked at this, which is add a history page where people can see last 30 days ka generation, and they can pay more if they want to keep the history. I gotta make money. Allow users to manually extend retention by paying credits. They can pay some credits here, so that's there. Change the name of this tool called Easy Image Creator and use the domain Easy Image Creator in all links. I bought the domain Easy Image Creator. How do you connect a domain? If you click on publish, you can click on edit domains, manage domains, and here you can connect this new one and just add the new domain. Hopefully buy it from GoDaddy. Okay, click on continue like this. Log in. And done. Now it gets done in the backend. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's the process of adding a domain. And that's where it looks very customized. Okay, now if you want to test it, one of the best ways to do it is just find a profile picture on the internet. Let's say I'll check for Rohan Dhawan, who's CEO and founder of a company, and I'll pick a picture of him. So let's say I pick this picture. This guy doesn't upload picture. Okay, this is a good picture. So you can test it out by going here and go to downloads, upload this picture and say same thing. Give me 3 days and I'll help you launch your high ticket coaching offer. register for the webinar. You can generate. Pending authorization. What does pending authorization mean? Oh, I might need to create. Okay, I'll just check it later. Let it finish. Oh, okay. Not connected. Easy www. I think we'll figure that out later. But at least the main easyimageCreator.com is working. Should be more than enough. Any problems with the rest, we'll figure that out later. Looking nice. This does not look like him at all, but I'll use it. I'll send it to him. Some of these are taking so long. Okay, so we did that. Then add a footer, links with privacy policy, terms of service, all of it. These are all legal pages that we can't avoid. So in the main domain here, let me just log out. We have added these: privacy policy, contact us, FAQ and help. So it has created all of these content. I didn't have to write anything. It was all generated by AI. It was so freaking cool. Okay. So it got done. And then so basically, if anybody signs up to the contact details, the email should get added as a list of leads for me. So that's there. Add an FAQ system, add an email validation, all of that. Add rate limiting to the contact to prevent spam submission from the same email or IP address. Add an admin panel section to view and manage contact form submission. We did that as well. And the landing page had a small text highlight without overloading the headline that says start free, which basically is this one. Start for free. Okay. Now add a site logo as favicon. So this top on the side, favicon is that. Then we did a security scan. I'll show you. It found some critical issues. We fixed those critical issues. Okay. It's a basic regular process before you launch. And I think that's pretty much it. Yesterday it was just me trying to fix all the security issues. Now, okay, before I just asked it make the whole site mobile optimized. It did a fairly good job at mobile optimization. Okay, so it looks pretty cool. There you go. So that's it. Now I tried changing the password of an admin. It didn't work even from Lovable side. So I have to manually click on forget password and whatnot. So like this. Okay. So this has been the progress so far. Okay. Now here today I want to integrate Razorpay with the system so that I can get paid. So let's just do that. So I created a fresh new Razorpay account and I hope it works. Policy page is missing. Got yes, contact page. Shipping policy. Cancellation and refunds. Cancellation of refund. I think create cancellation and refund policy page for me. It should create So by the way, I just set up a new Razorpay account, put in some business details, and it says okay. So before they activate the webhook feature, so that you can add like payments stuff there, you need to upload your business website, emails, and whatnot, and they check if everything is right or not. Okay, so let's just create a cancellation and refund policy page, and I think that's more than enough. I still don't have a Stripe account. Sadly, Stripe doesn't love me anymore. But okay, I think my circle is a lot Indian, so they'd be comfortable with Razorpay, and that's a good MVP before we take it to international markets. Okay, so that's there. All right, so I did finish creating all the pages. Um, it it should dashboard on the first page, buy credits right here. Okay, I think it did finish the shipping and policy page. It's just not present on the main page. So looking for what? Let me just check it out. Oh, it's not published. Okay, got it. It is added here. Cool. So I'll do a publishing. I mentioned domestic shipping, standard shipping, which we. Let's do the shipping page is wrong. We are not a physical product. Just mention processing time as instant and no shipping required as it's a digital product or something. This is it. Let me just check the main page once again. So from Lovable, every time you make changes, you have to hit publish so that the new records gets published. All right, there you go. Pricing page is done. There's a have added spaces here and there. It's okay. I don't mind. They have already found 9 security errors. Crazy. All right. So they have already found like 9 security errors. Um, all right. So what happened here was we asked for a shipping policy page. Oh, I said shipping policy page for physical product or merchandise. My mistake. I just optimized the prompt and AI just created it. Create an about us page and add them in the home page. Then created a pricing page. Shipping page is wrong, which is now hopefully not it's done. Let's see what it has written in about us. Yeah. Um, all right. So in the footer, in the product section, um, keep login, pricing, and about us. That's it. Remove the rest. Okay, so this is done. Fantastic. Now I don't want to show my face here. Oops, oops, oops. Where are you? Okay. Remove our team section and about us page. I don't like, I want this whole website to be faceless as F. Like, you know, they should not even know who is the founder. It's not going back, maybe. All right, we're good. All right, so here we are right now. So what I did is we added the extra pages. And also I think this logo is working now. So you can go to terms of service. This is ready. Come back to logo, cancellation and refund. All of it is ready. So now hit publish. But before you hit publish, always go for security scan and just do an update. Okay. So it gives you a lot of updates right here. And then, well, you can just click on try to fix all and just keep doing that until all of them are like cancelled out. So let it finish certain issues. All right. Now it's still updating. All right, we finished scanning. So here we hit publish on the top right and just update. It's still running one final scan. It has gotten some few warnings, so I'll just have a look and fix those later. But I think we are publishing. In just a few minutes, we will be live. There you go. So let's click on this, which is easyimagecreator.com now. There you go. So we got the shipping policy. Let's copy those. Yes, we have shipping policy. Uh, yes, I have the link for cancellations and refunds, which is, there you go. Boom, boom, submit. Now it will go ahead and check my website. So Razorpay, I've not recorded a tutorial on how to create a Razorpay thing, but it probably will finish up. Oh, you expect a reply in 24 to 48 hours. Oh my freaking gods. It's taking a long time. Anyways, Razorpay offer is ready. Hopefully in the next few days it's gonna get back. But for now, our app is ready. So I don't know however long it took, 3-4 hours total. In general, I was spending about, I don't know, half an hour a day. Like I would wake up super early in the morning, like 5 a.m. and build this. So I'm super proud of myself that we got one product ready. And the next phase would be to launch it. We'll launch it on LinkedIn, we'll launch it on Instagram. I'll seek partnership with my network. So basically, the entire go to market strategy. But all of those we will cover in a separate video. Okay. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you create your own vibe coded app like this, and the purpose of this whole range was well, for you to see how it looks like in real life. Okay. And I wanted to keep it extremely unfiltered and raw. So you have seen me make mistakes and create one, break it down, launch again and again. So I'm gonna do some minor changes, but it's ship ready. Okay. So that's about it. And Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I hope it was valuable and what kind of videos you need in the future. Okay, thank you very much.